loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new SD softbox lights that I purchased off Amazon. I purchased the SD 2-piece 20 by 28 softbox photography lighting kit on Amazon. It usually retails for $56.86 with free shipping, but through using the S'mores lock screen app, I was able to redeem $8 in Amazon gift cards. It comes with 2 softboxes plus external white covers, 2 digital full spectrum 85-watt light bulbs, 2 2-meter photography studio output light stands, 1 carrying bag, and 1 instruction manual. The first 2 items I'm opening up are the 2-meter photography studio output light stands. These tripods are made of aluminum, which makes them both lightweight as well as easy to transport. The instruction manual says that they have a height of 68 centimeters to a maximum of 200 centimeters, which converted equals roughly between 2 to 6 feet, which is taller than me. That's great because it gives you a lot of versatility when it comes to the angling of the lights, which will give you different outcomes in terms of your pictures and video. Here are the tripods set up. One thing I would like to note is that they are their sturdiest when the softbox is closer to the ground. The higher I extended it, I noticed that the more wobbly the stand got, and I did have to end up weighing it down so the lights wouldn't fall over. Next up are the softbox umbrellas and their external nylon covers that came conveniently packed in these Velcro sleeves. I thought that was really cool. The specs for the softboxes are 50 by 70 centimeters, which converted is 1 foot 7.68 inches by 2 feet 3.55 inches, and it has a 110-inch cord, which equals a little over 9 feet. Here I'm putting the softbox umbrella onto the tripod, just making sure that it's nice and even. Then I'm going to thoroughly tighten that screw right there to make sure that the umbrella is secured on the stand. And this is what the on and off switch looks like. Now I'm unboxing the 2 digital full spectrum 85-watt spiral bulbs that come with the softboxes. These bulbs are huge. They are sold separately on Amazon for I think $16 each. I will have that link down below in the description. In the description box on Amazon, SD states that the 85 wattage of these bulbs is equal to an 800 watt ordinary incandescent bulb output, and that they deliver a pure balanced white light. Here's an up-close look at the lamp holder, which is that black cylinder part right there. You want to make sure that the front circle with the screws on it, that those 3 black bars are extending out of, is completely snapped on to the part that you screw the bulb into. That's what gives the umbrella structure, and that also secures the bulb to make sure that it won't fall out. Here's a look at what it's supposed to look like. Make sure that it's completely flush all the way around that white part. I found out the hard way. Luckily the bulb was not in it, but I just wanted to note that you have to make sure that it's completely snapped on. Applying the external white cover was really easy. All I did was match up the Velcro strips on the cover that I showed you loves in the last clip to the Velcro that's on the umbrella. And a brief note I would like to make on the umbrella itself is that the silver relief stone interior, in addition to the external cover, helps to further diffuse the light, so you get a nice soft light with no shadows. The lights also come with a carrying case, which makes it really convenient for you to be able to break down your lights and take them with you on the go. Here's a picture that I took with both of the lights set up. I did the selfie and then a close-up of my face so you can see the detail and the clarity. It came out so nice. I'll make sure to have all of the links down below in the description. I hope you loves enjoyed this video. I would love it if you could leave me a comment down below. And until next time, bye loves!